Ano yung particular na, di ba, sabi mo nga, you've learned a lot from Coach Bambo. Ano yung mga lessons pa na hindi mo na-mention kanina na apply mo in your singing career now?
Yun, life before The Voice, yun nga, na simple life. Tapos ngayon na after ng The Voice, parang may TV exposure and all. Natutunan kong i-embrace yun. Embrace ko na mabuti. Yan, natutunan ko ma-embrace yung guesting. At sa ngayon, gusto ko na parang sponge lang ako na ngayon na lahat ng ina-absorb ko, ito, anong nangyayari pag gina-guide ako and all. Tapos, ayun, just try to make every moment count. Yan.
Okay.
Can you quote him on that?
Ay, ganyan.
May quotable quote na siya.
May quotable quote.
I have a question with MCA. How did you tag Paula as a young crooner? Hindi ba na-open yung mga crooner currently as they are now old?
Ganun ba, Rod?
Iyang naman talaga siya.
Hey, Mark, say something.
May paliwanag sa
Partner naman.
Siyempre yung type of music na, siyempre yung talaga itatag namin siya na young crooner talaga.
Actually, he's 20 years
Kasi
old.
hindi
That
pa
means
siya
he's young.
old, kaya young siya.
Okay.
Sinagot na
Paolo, how did you react? Kasi diba tinweet ka ni Richard Kun about that? Paano ka nag-react? Sabi niya, great vocal work on all the songs, Paolo Onesa, in your debut album. Paano ka nag-react?
Nag-meet sila sa Mixed Music Awards. Kwento mo pa.
Okay.
May tagaso?
Ang handler?
Ayun, yun nga, nagsabi ng handler ko.
He picks up very quick.
Handler na bagong pula yung buhok.
Yun nga, nag-meet kami nung Mixed Music Awards. Tapos, for him to say that nagustuhan niya yung album and all, yung areglo and all, such an honor, honestly. Kasi para to hear from someone who's been here already for a long time in the business and doing what I do, crooner, so I think just it's an honor talaga. Believe.
What are the songs that you would love to sing and include in your next album? Kasi di ba there are some artists na sinasabi, dapat makanta ko yan. Ano yung song na yun? At bakit?
I have a few. Parang gusto ko i-challenge yung sarili ko. Parang gusto ko kantahin yung Feeling Good by Nina Simone. Tapos gawing own version ko. Parang at least para ma-challenge ako, gusto ko rise to the challenge. Tapos, yun, mga feel-good songs, Love on Top, mga gano'n.
Tahimik talaga.
Examples.
Pero nasa YouTube.
Ano, kita niya?
Okay, kanina.
Gusto namin yung live.
Okay, wow. Handler, live daw. Live.
Tanungin niyo muna.
Handler na kanta.
Labon.
Ayun, tawa yun ah.
Ayun ang gitara.
Hala.
Ayan. Kulta sa'yo si Miss Ayel.
May ano daw may dance number.
Sasayaw daw si Miss Ayel.
Miss Ayel.
Wow, an expert. Hirap naman question dito, may example.
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. The one that gives your all. You're the one I can always call. When I need you, make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Ooh, ooh, come on, baby. You put my love on top. Top, 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 top. You put my love on top. said, ooh, now come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. Love on top.
From your first album, what are masasabi mong personal favorites mo dito? And or something na malapit sa life mo ngayon?
Personal favorite, gusto ko yung Which Way Robert Frost. You're Beautiful. Ay, yung Which Way Robert Frost kasi maganda yung feel ng song, nakakadala pag kumakanta. Yun, tapos You're Beautiful. Maganda rin yung meaning ng song na to.
Pao, sino yung gusto mong artist na maka-duet, both male and female artists?
Local and international.
Local at gusto kong makaduet dalawa sa babae. Una si Zia. Zia Quezon kasi.
Ay, tapos na. Ay, tapos na sa. Forgangin ka.
Kasi yung boses niya unique eh. Tapos gusto ko parang interesting pag mag-collab. Tsaka si Casey Tandingan.
Wow.
Sa male artist.
Male, si Coach Bamboo. Siya. Richard tapos. Richard Pun. International. If ever may Michael Bublé. Yun, kina Jason Mraz. Mga idol. Sila.
So tell us about your collab with Clarice on one of your songs.
Yun, yung collab. It was a fun collaboration because we've known each other na rin during the competition pa lang. And it was fun working with her kasi it was a fun song and we didn't take it seriously talaga. Parang the more fun, para fun rin marinig ng listeners.
Pansin namin dati sa nananggaling sa The Voice, parang naging close talaga kay Larry.
Kasi during the competition, parang pag rehearsals, ilang hours talaga kami nandun, tapos walang ginagawa. So,
kayo nandun
so nag-bonding talaga kasi sawa sa bonding.
Was there ever, kunyari, ibabalik natin yung competition, meron ka bang gustong baguhin sa mga, like, yung mga songs sa kanta mo or something? Or okay na sa'yo yung ginawa mo?
Ako, I'm happy with kung anong nangyari ng competition. Parang I believe na parang...
Walang regrets?
Oh, no regrets. Parang everything happens for a reason. Parang ito nangyari to. Natanggal ako sa competition this time. Parang so, naniwala ko na everything happens for a reason.
Given another chance ba, kay Coach Bamboo ka pa rin?
As in sobra. Siya talaga, idol. Come on!
Wow, you only have one Tagalog song here. Is this planned or nagkataon lang?
Sir Mark? Yung LSE.
Kasi isa lang yung Tagalog.
Isa lang Tagalog. Talagang...
Kasi talagang isa lang talaga yung Tagalog kasi we plan to release din sa international. Like sa Pilipinas.
Sabi ko sa'yo
actually,
eh,
Mike Perez din. Yung mga NCD na now na release na din sa Asia.
So this one is released already in Asia?
Para iyan pala. Pupush pa lang namin to release in Asia. Kaya talagang ilan na.
So for the international distribution, will the songs are all the same pa rin?
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome to Asia.